Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of the Hansgrohe shower head, and I have it in chrome and white. So this is a really great shower head. It's very easy to install and it comes with 3 different functions, and you can change between these functions by pressing the select button just here. So it's a really nice size, and what's great is that initially this shower was really weak, and I feel like since getting this shower head the water pressure has just been a little bit stronger. The surface is nice and wide, and I think it's designed to sort of imitate like rain, but you can get a more centralized pressure by changing it up. So this is the gentle rain setting. You can see it covers a lot more of the shower head surface, and then this is the faster, more centralized setting, so it's a little more powerful. So overall, I'm super happy and would definitely recommend it. Those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.